this apartment is good, but it's no place to put shoes. Because we're sharing like one unit with others, so the place out there is not just for us. The kitchen is quite tiny.
Almost weird.
Oh my god. Nobody's here. Huh? Nice. I can see the sign, babe. Pharmacy. And maybe I can buy some like
It contains also caffeine.
oh
But
yeah.
it's normal.
After a meal or after food?
Got your medicine now?
One pack. You have to do this for me. Massage.
With your oily skin, sweat.
This is not oily. This is not sweat. This is banana boat sun spray.
This girl is having so much pain in her neck. Dreaming too much, that's why.
Let's go have sandwich.
Happy now?
No, not happy yet. How can I be happy? Most of the place open at 4, but right now 2 o'clock. So good.
What is this?
Garlic?
No. It's a bean or something.
Ironically, fruits always supermarkets cheap. For sure this time mango. Avocado. Was 1 kilo worth.
It's like 2 days.
Italian food. One more down. Today, yes, I've seen. Betrayer. Rainy season. are you doing?
I saw a video of like I can't find it.
Looks expensive, but £7, baby. Hotel pizza and pasta.
I feel like having. We had pizza, though. Came for the pizza. This is good.
Which one? Coconut? Mango. Mango with coconut? Saúde.
Cheers.
This is so good. This is so good. How fresh. Oh my god, look at this visual.
Gonna have one orgasm. Brain orgasm after only the
Stomach orgasm. This guy promised to share.
Frozen egg.
Me? Who's?
She's the frozen egg.
Yeah. Only edge, I mean.
Never eat. We don't
What?
eat
You
pizza with honey.
Wait. You eat pizza with ketchup. You eat pizza with ketchup. Bon appétit.
Bon appetit.
Wow, so good. In Vietnam, Italian pizza. Are you happy?
Super happy.
Good pizza place we found. Yay!
Cheers.